Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is ABHILASH and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of gold USD for Friday. If you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. So let's get started. And my dear friends, today is Friday, so we need to be extra careful because we see that sometimes market gets crazy, forget about logic and just move crazily. So if anything happens, please shut down the laptop, shut down the system, and spend some time with your friends and family. Go for some drinks, but do not trade. Okay, so if you see market getting crazy, do not trade because today is Friday. It's better not to trade than to lose your hard-earned money, isn't it? Okay. Now let's talk about the market here. So my dear friends, um, at the time of recording the video, we can see that gold is trading around 4,010, 4,015, or around 4,000 area. So the problem with the market right now is that okay, gold is stuck in a range. What is the range here? The range is 4050 on the upside, and then we have 4056 or 4050. Sorry, 3950. I'm sorry. Okay, and then we have 3956 to 3950 on the downside. This is the range of gold right now. Okay, and problem with this range is that we have 4000 on the middle of the chart. As 4000 is on the middle of the chart, being a very crucial level, 4000 is acting as a magnet. So if you're a day trader, then gold is not the right asset for you. Already I have mentioned in the WhatsApp group in the morning that today is not the right day for the gold traders. If you're looking for trading opportunities, it's better to look for opportunities outside gold, because in a situation like this, okay, you will not find proper or reliable trading opportunities, because as a day trader also, the trend of the market, the direction of the market is not clear to us, because 4000 acting as a magnet, sometimes you will see gold trading above 4000, sometimes gold trading below 4000. And see, we are retail traders, we have limitation. Okay, we do not have all the information about the market. We have limited knowledge. For example, if market comes to support, we buy. If market breaks a support, we go for a sell. So we have limited technical knowledge, and on that limited technical knowledge, it will be difficult for us to trade today. Try to understand the logic. That's why I said that today is not the right day to trade. Okay, and to understand these things better, okay, I need to take you to the hourly chart. This is the 1 hour chart of gold in front of us, and here you can see the black lines. Okay, the black lines are showing the range of gold here. This is 4050 on the upside, and then 395650 on the downside, and the red line is the 4000 level. So yesterday, okay, in the US session, when market after the breakout, okay, remember yesterday we discussed about the breakout. After the breakout, when market came to 4000, we also discussed about the possibility of a buy in the WhatsApp group. If you are a part, I believe you made some money as well. But today 4000 is not acting as support, so things are dicey here. Okay, so number of trading opportunities are limited. The only two trading opportunities from my limited knowledge, yes, from my limited knowledge that I see right now, is we can look for a buy above 404546. Okay, if market breaks this particular level during the day. Okay, if you see the market is going up with a big green candle, yes, the size of the candle matters a lot here. If you see, if market is going up with a big green candle, just like yesterday when market broke 4000 with a big green candle, बड़े candle के साथ market ने तोड़ा था, this green candle. If you see a similar candle today also, market going up, you can look for a buy above 4045 4046. Similarly, during the day, if you see market is going down with a big red candle, okay, market is going below 3956, we can look for a sell. Means buy at breakout above 404546, or sell at breakdown below 3956, 3955, and size of the candle should be good enough. Okay, just like yesterday when market broke 4000. These are the only two trading opportunities that I see on the chart of gold right now. And usually in a range bound market, we buy at support, sell at resistance, but today is not the day for that strategy. Because in a normal range bound market, we can simply go for buy at support, set a resistance. But here, 4,000 is acting as a magnet that is causing trouble. Okay, so that's why we are expecting a breakout above 404546 or breakdown below 39565, 3956, 3955. The trend of the market is neutral, not clear to us, so we'll just go with the flow. As of now, we should have a neutral bias, means we should not have a preconceived notion the market will go up from here, market will go down from here. No, we are not sure in which direction the market will move. And as a trader, we need to be flexible because 4,000 is not giving us a clear picture. So we are waiting. And as I always say, my dear friends, the weekly closing is going to be very, very important. Okay, if market closes below 4,000, if market closes below 4,000, then we can expect some weakness next week. And if market closes above 4,000 or 4,050, then we can expect upside next week. Let's wait and watch. Okay, be careful. If you're a beginner, new trader, or if you have a very limited capital, do not trade gold today. My suggestion for you. Okay, that's all from my side, my dear friends. Thank you so much. Bye bye. Take care.